All right, hi, I'm going to quickly go over your week 2 of e-learning. Not a lot has changed, so if you were here last week and you had your computer, it's going to be pretty much the same. There's a couple differences, so just stay tuned for those. I'm going to quickly show you my screen. All right, so on Edsby, you're going to see this big post of all of your weekly lessons. The main difference is that I'm going to post this on Sunday, and then everything will be due on Sunday that week. The structure is pretty much the same. You're going to have an IXL assignment and some other assignment for the day. Some of them are quizzes, some of them are poster assignments. So it's an IXL and then one other assignment for the day that you have to submit to Edsby. You won't have anything on Friday. That's just going to be a makeup / optional extension day if you would like to do some of those optional activities. So the things that are still pretty much the same is you need to score at least a 70 on the SMART score to be finished. You don't have to submit anything, you just log off and I will see that you did that if you logged in correctly. If this is your first week here because you haven't had a computer yet, you need to message me and let me know if you need any help signing into IXL. Edsby submissions. Again, if you were here last week, they're the same. Make sure your pictures are good. If you were not here last week, message me on Edsby and I can help you submit those pictures. Please do not send me any messages of pictures. A lot of you are still doing that. I'm trying to get you in the habit of submitting the assignments because when I go to grade them, that is where I'll be grading them. I won't go back to my messages. Everything is due Sunday, April 12th at 11:45 p.m. So it's not due Friday. You can turn in Monday's assignment, Sunday evening, you're good. It's not late. That doesn't mean wait until Sunday. It's probably going to be a little bit too much to get it done all done in one day, but I really don't want this to be overwhelming, which is why you only have 4 days worth of work, but an entire 7 days to do it. So pace yourself. Don't make this stressful. I know you have other classes to do. Pace yourself. My number one advice. You can work ahead if you have extra time. So if you have all of Monday and you just want to dedicate it to math, you totally can, if that is how you would like to do your work this week. I will still be posting those optional Zoom links. The only difference is this week I'm only going to do it Monday through Thursday from 12 to 1 p.m. If you have any questions about any of this, new or not, message me on Remind or Edsby and I will get to you as fast as I can. I'm going to quickly go over the first day's assignment and then I'll have little videos for every other day's assignment as well. Okay, make sure you put in your name to the Nearpod. That was your standards and objective. This is your checklist. Write this down in your notebook so you know when you've done everything. You're going to have a video and notes to take, an IXL lesson. You won't have to submit anything to Edsby, and a quizzes assignment where you won't have to submit anything to Edsby. The only thing you are submitting today are your notes from the video on the EdGyms. We're going to talk about the quizzes assignment and how it can't be done on Internet Explorer in just a second. So on this video, you're going to take your notes, write them in your notebook, write them on a piece of paper, anything. Take a picture of those notes and upload it to Edsby as your submission for today. Then you're going to take this IXL lesson. You need to get that SMART score up to 70. Make sure you are logged in or I won't be able to see your work and that will be very frustrating for you. Get this up to a 70. Make sure you are logged in. For your quizzes assignment, this cannot be done on Internet Explorer. You have to be on Chrome or Safari or some other browser besides Internet Explorer. It just doesn't work. I don't know why, but it won't let you log in. If you don't have access to anything but Internet Explorer, message me and we will figure out an alternative assignment for you to do. The final thing is just a reminder about where to submit your assignment. So you're submitting it to 4-6 one-step equation notes by April 12th at 11:45 p.m. I'm sorry, my dog is barking in the background. Okay. 4-6, your assignment, you may have to scroll down past this main post to see where to submit. Yours will have a submit button. I will also have it pinned at the top and you can see it in your My Work section of Edsby. So it'll be in a bunch of places. Just make sure you can find it. You can't find an assignment, just message me and we will figure it out. That is all I have for you today. So I will post another video explaining tomorrow's lesson. Have a good one.